Let me tell you, food is for eating, not for skincare. Skincare is for skincare. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mathilda. Well, today's video is gonna be another skincare mistakes video. My last skincare mistake video, I talked about things that you are doing that's making your skin worse. Now today I'm gonna be talking about products you are using that is making your acne worse. Because you guys always talk about natural, but natural isn't always the best thing for your skin. So today I'm going to be giving you guys 5 natural products that I'm sure you have used in your lifetime or you are still using, and it's really not good for your skin. So if you guys want to know that, then keep on watching. Now, the first thing I'm going to talk about is something that I'm sure majority of you guys have used, and that is lemon. Lemon is not good for your skin, guys. It's really not good for your skin. First of all, why is it not good? It is very acidic. Like, lemon is acidic and it makes your skin more sensitive to the sun, which causes burning of your skin, and that burning can lead to hyperpigmentation that is going to take forever to heal. And my dear, you really don't want that, because you're probably using lemon because they say it has vitamin C inside, so it's going to lighten up your spots or make your hyperpigmentation go. But little did you know that lemon is actually going to make your hyperpigmentation worse. So you need to steer away from lemon. If you say, okay, what then will I use instead of lemon? Well, you can get a vitamin C serum. That's going to be a good replacement for lemon, because my dear, don't, like, lemon is not it. Cut it. It's not what you need in your skin. Remove it, eliminate it from your skin. Thank you. The next thing I'm going to be talking about is, some people are going to get pissed off. Witch hazel. Using witch hazel as toner. Yes, witch hazel is not the best for your skin. Why is that? First of all, witch hazel is an astringent, which means that it strips your skin of its natural oils. Yeah, and this dries out your skin, and I don't think that's what you would want for your skin, you know. Second thing about witch hazel is that it contains volatile fragrance oils, which causes irritation in your skin. So witch hazel is a no-no, especially those toners that have 100% witch hazel. Stay far away from it. It's really not good for your skin. It's causing your skin more harm than good. Now, what is a good replacement for witch hazel? Get yourself an hydrating toner. And hydrating toner is going to nourish your skin. It's going to hydrate your skin, and it just makes everything work properly. But when you're using a witch hazel toner, it's just going to dry out your skin, and you don't want that. Like, do you really want your skin to be dried out? No. So just go get yourself an hydrating toner and you will be good to go. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, guys, we just hit 500 subscribers. I don't even have voice anymore. I don't have Oh my god, guys, 500 of you. 500 of you. Like, oh my god. Okay, let me calm down. Whew. 500. Oh my god. First of all, I want to say a big thank you to you that's watching, you that is subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, for watching my videos, for all the support, guys. I really appreciate it. Like, I don't want to cry, but it just felt like yesterday when I was celebrating 400 subscribers, and now I'm at 500 subscribers. 500 people are subscribed to little old me channel, like my channel. Oh my god, guys, we need to cheers. Like, do I have any drink? Oh my god, there's no drink, but we're definitely gonna celebrate it. I'm so so excited. Yeah, I'm so excited. Yeah, so excited. So guys, I really want to do a giveaway for my 500 subscriber mark. So guys, you guys should let me know what you would like me to do as my giveaway. What should I give away? I want you guys to be suggesting, so that I'm gonna give back to you guys, because I really want to. I really want to. So let's go back to the video, because I know I kind of backtracked a bit because I hit 500 subscriber. Hey, yay, 500. Cheers to 500 subscribers. Guys, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, like, what are you really waiting for? Do you think the 500 people that are subscribed to my channel are wrong in subscribing? There's obviously something that's making them subscribe. So why don't you subscribe? And if you don't subscribe, at least like this video, because I'm about to spill more tea. Don't think I forgot about this video. I'm about to spill more tea. Guys, this next product I'm gonna be talking about, I feel like people are going to debate about this in the comments, but I'm here to spill the tea, you know. So this third product is sugar. Yes, sugar. Your sugar scrubs. Sugar scrubs. Sugar. This is a tongue twister. Sugar scrubs are very harsh on your face. You know that the skin on your face and the skin on your body is different. Your skin on your face is softer, more sensitive, and you have to treat it differently. So first of all, sugar scrubs are very harsh on your face. When you scrub your face with sugar, you are scrubbing off your skin at a surface level, and that causes microscopic cuts on your skin. Now you say, oh my god, but when I scrub with sugar, I don't see any cuts. That's why I said microscopic, because you can't see it at your ordinary eye level. You need to use a microscope, and when you're always doing that, oh my god, the microscopic cuts will leave your skin open, and that opening would make bacteria come even more into your skin. And you know what bacteria does, guys? You know, I don't need to tell you. You know, I'm gonna leave it at that. Now, what can you use instead of sugar scrub? Because I know that you want to remove the dead skin cells in your face. You want your face to feel smooth. That's why we are doing sugar scrubs, right? Okay, you should use chemical exfoliants. Chemical exfoliants, they exfoliate your skin at a cellular level, like a deeper level. Unlike sugar scrubs that exfoliate your skin at a surface level, this one, it penetrates into your skin and really remove the dead skin cells you want removed. So you should use chemical exfoliant. But if you feel like, oh, I don't want to use chemical exfoliant, I want to have that scrubby feeling, okay, I would recommend you use rice powder. That one is a bit more gentle than sugar scrub, so please eliminate sugar scrub. Now, before you guys come and attack me, because I know that people, they stand very well with their natural product. Like, they love their natural, they don't play with their natural. As you see me here, I have been a natural stan. There was a phase in my life where I was always doing natural. Anything in the kitchen, I was gonna put it on my face. And the rashes, I talked about this in my first skincare video I did on my channel. I'm gonna leave a card here. The rashes, everything that came to my face when I was doing all this natural, that's when I migrated to chemical, because people always say chemical is bad, blah 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 blah. But is water not a chemical? Everything around us is chemical, so why do you say chemical is bad? So I had to move to chemical, and you see, it's doing my skin good. I did everything natural. Everything I'm missing here, I did it. That's why I can boldly tell you that it's not good. Is it lemon? Is it sugar? Is it turmeric? Is it palm oil? I did everything. So when I tell you not to do it, just know I'm speaking from experience, and I don't want you guys to make the same mistakes. Now let's talk about the next product that you're using that's making your skin horrible. So if you guys are enjoying this video so far, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know that you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up to support me. Thumbs up. I'm asking for too much. It's just a thumbs up. I'm not even asking to subscribe, but just subscribe if you want to. Guys, the next product I'm going to be talking about, I feel like as the products are progressing, it's getting worse because people are really gonna attack me for this. But the next product I'm going to be talking about is coconut oil. It's not good. Cut it out. Cut it. It's not good for your skin because it is very highly comedogenic. What is comedogenic? Comedogenic means it clogs your pores. You know this pores you have on your skin that you're trying to close up so it won't show? Coconut oil is going to clog it, and it's going to even make it worse. So you can imagine when something clogs your pores, there's no room for your skin to breathe, and if your skin is not breathing, how is it going to function? How is it going to do its tasks it's supposed to do to maintain balance? So coconut oil, cancel it from your skincare routine. It's not what you think it's doing. It's not hydrating your skin. Cut it. Now, a good alternative for coconut oil is argan oil. Me, I use argan oil. You guys know me. If you're an OG on my channel, you know that I used to use argan oil religiously. It's just that now I can't find it to buy, but yeah, argan oil is good. It's lighter, it's not thick like coconut oil, so it's not gonna clog your pores. The next thing I'm gonna be talking about is baking soda. Yeah, baking soda is not good for your skin. I feel like we all did all these things. We all used baking soda at one point in our life, but baking soda is not good for your skin because the pH of baking soda is much more higher than your skin pH. And what that means is that it's going to negatively impact your skin barrier and in turn disrupt very important skin processes. Things that your skin are supposed to do, it's not going to be able to do it because your skin barrier is just damaged because of this baking soda you're applying on your skin. And I talked about skin barrier in my last skincare video, which was when I applied Vaseline on my skin for 1 whole week. If you haven't seen that, then you can check it out. On the card will be here, so you can check it out and see how my skin did when I applied Vaseline for 1 whole week. So I also talked about skin barrier in that video, so you can watch it to learn more. So yeah, so don't use baking soda on your face. I can't even give you an alternative for baking soda. Just scrap it out. It doesn't really do anything on your skin. It really doesn't. Just scrap it out from your skincare routine. Remove it, and I'm pretty sure your skin is going to improve and be better than it was before. Now, you know me, I always like to give bonus. I can't be stingy. I just have to share it with you guys. Now, this is a basic bonus. It's an obvious one that I'm sure that if you have progressed in life, you should have known that this is not good for your skin, which is toothpaste. Yeah, toothpaste. I mean, we all did that. Don't lie. I know you did it. Don't lie. You applied toothpaste on that pimple thinking it's going to make your skin, the pimple dry out and pimple go, but when you apply the toothpaste on that pimple, later on you had a spot on your face that did not go, and it might still be in your skin till now. So I know we all had that toothpaste face. Don't be shy, drop it in the comments. I know, you know, we know. Pew. Guys, which of these products have you used? Which of these products are you currently using? Which of these you think I'm wrong about? Because like I always say, I'm not an esthetician, so educate me below. Let me know why you think what I said was wrong. I would love to know. You know, we can always learn every day. So let me know which one you've tried. Let me know which one is working. And before you say, oh my god, I'm using coconut oil and lemon and sugar and everything and it's working for my skin, just because it's working for your skin doesn't mean it's good for your skin. You know there's a difference between a clear skin and a healthy skin, you know. So some people just have that good skin that even if they put their face in mud, nothing is going to happen. But for we that our skin is not the typical perfect skin, we have to apply to this rule so that our skin doesn't get any worse. And to those natural people, you guys, I love your natural ingredients. I mean, nothing wrong with it, nothing wrong with it, nothing wrong with it. But you guys should stop bashing chemicals, stop bashing synthetic ingredients, because the funny thing is that these synthetic ingredients that you attack for not being natural, do you know that most of them are actually found in your skin? They're already found in your skin. So why are you bashing them when they are already in your skin? They are natural. What does natural even mean at this point? What does it mean? Because if you are saying chemical is bad, did you know that our skin produces lactic acid? And lactic acid is what you say is a chemical, right? It also exfoliates. So what are we saying? Our skin produces lactic acid, azelaic acid, hyaluronic acid, I mean, and a host of others. Does that mean it's bad because it's termed a chemical? You know, you guys contradict yourself sometimes, but it's all good, it's all good. That's why I'm here to share with you guys the tea. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned a thing or two about skincare and things you shouldn't be using. If you haven't checked out my last skincare mistakes video, then you should probably check it out. I'm going to leave a card here, or maybe I've left a card before earlier in the video. Who knows? You will know when you watch the video. So check that video out, because I talked about skincare mistakes you are making that making your skincare worse. I'm also going to leave my skincare playlist of all the videos I've done talking about skincare. You guys seem to like it, so I'm giving you guys what you want, you know. So you guys should please check it out. And you know, if you guys would like to see me outside of YouTube, you can check me out on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, TikTok, all Mathildaduku. Hey. And if you guys want to support my Lightroom preset, Meraki preset, then you can check out my website on the description box below, down below, and also check out the Instagram page for my Lightroom preset at Meraki preset. All the links are gonna be down below. And if you're still here, that means you're an OG, and I love you so much. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload, you will be the first person to know that I've uploaded, because we are on the road to what on that and subscribe. So if you cannot subscribe to my channel, then please like this video. I'm gonna appreciate it. Like this video, let me know in the comments what you thought about this video. Just let's chat in comments, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. But before then, please feel free to watch my other videos. My skincare playlist is gonna be right here, and my another video is gonna be here for you to watch. Makeup, skincare, lifestyle, everything in between.